Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And then in today's video, we are going to make a circuit which consists of a LED, a buzzer, and a battery. And this is going to be a breadboard circuit. So, to start off, let me delete all these things. Yep, yes, LED. And also, LED stands for light emitting diode. Light emitting diode, okay? So I'm gonna get a breadboard, small breadboard, and then you can tilt the breadboard however you want, like this also. So I'll just keep it the normal way how it was. So now I'm gonna use a coin cell, which is 3 volt, because if you use a 9 volt battery, if you use one LED, and the LED is going to burst. So LED, yes. Now you can place the LED any holes in the breadboard. Uh, So, okay, first before starting, I'll tell you one thing that how to name the dots of the breadboard, which is like first you need to see which line or which alphabet is your hole is in. If I'm keeping it here, so it is on letter H. H. So if I keep it here, it's going to be H10. So you need to name the alphabet first and the number. So I'll keep my LED anywhere, and then I'll get my buzzer also. And then the platform which I'm using is called Tinkercad, in which you can build circuits and stuff. So now you need to connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the breadboard, so that if you connect one here, this whole if you can see that if I keep anywhere in this breadboard line, the in the positive line, you can see that all are showing in green. So it's showing that all are interconnected together. So if I just start here, if I take any connection from here, it's going to work. So let me take the negative point. Yep. So now these are connected. So I've kept the buzzer here. So I need to have connections over here also. For that, you don't need to take another connection from the battery. You can take it from the breadboard itself. So from this positive to this positive, and then this negative to this negative. Why am I connecting negative to positive, positive to positive, and negative to positive? Because it's like that. And then let me connect. So there are two terminals in the LED. One is cathode and another is anode. Anode meaning it's positive, cathode meaning it's negative. But in the real life ones, you can't. It won't be like named or something. To find it, the positive terminal will be curved like this one, and the negative one will be straight like this one. Or another thing is that one will be longer, which is positive, and another will be shorter, which is negative. So now let me connect it. And then in the breadboard, the connections are vertically interconnected, like those positive ones, which is horizontally connected. So let me just delete this. Okay, so if I just take the positive connection and keep it where the anode is connected to in the same line and then connect it, so it's going to work for this whole line. It's showing you that this whole line is interconnected together, like that positive and negative one. So if I take it from negative and keep it in this I J13 and J14, so even if I keep the LED in F13 and F14, it's gonna work. So even the same for the buzzer, from positive to positive. Actually, I took the wrong connection. So positive to positive, and then negative to negative. Now a circuit build is completely finished. So let us start simulation and then check if our circuit is working. So a buzzer is not working. I think it's a problem. Let me try it again. Delete this. Delete this. And then place the buzzer over here. Yup. Now positive to positive. Why am I giving it an A2? Because even though the buzzer is in C2, because this whole line is interconnected, you can see that if I keep the mouse pointer here, A12 to E12 are wholly interconnected. The dots in the breadboard is vertically connected, and the positive thing is horizontally connected, positive and negative. So let me try if this is working. So negative to negative, is it correct? Yes. Yeah, now you can see that the buzzer is making sound, and then LED is also lit up. So our circuit build is completely finished. Thank you for watching this video. Never forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.